Have you ever noticed how much time your team spends recreating the same documents? What if those repetitive tasks could become much faster without sacrificing accuracy? Using document templates is one simple way to streamline everyday business processes. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and in this video, we will look at how document templates work in Docusign, why businesses rely on them, different ways to use them, and another option that can simplify the entire process. Let's jump right in. A Docusign template is a document that already contains the core text needed for a specific purpose, while still allowing users to make changes when necessary. Think of it as a starting point instead of a blank page. Docusign offers templates for many common contracts and agreements, making it easier to prepare documents without creating everything from scratch. After selecting a template, users simply customize it to match the situation. Templates also help make sure important information is not accidentally left out. When people repeatedly create similar documents by hand, it becomes easier to overlook a detail or skip something essential. Since the main content is already prepared, templates provide a more complete foundation. They also reduce the chance of errors because the majority of the document stays the same each time. Once the template has been reviewed and finalized, there is much less need to carefully proofread every unchanged section again. Using templates in Docusign goes beyond simply filling them out. Existing templates can be edited whenever they no longer match your needs, just like any standard document. If a process changes and a template is no longer useful, it can also be deleted so nobody accidentally uses an outdated version. Keeping templates current helps ensure everyone works from the right document. Templates can be shared across different teams by adjusting their permissions, allowing other employees to use the same files. If the available templates do not fit your business, you can create your own instead. Custom templates may include text, fillable fields, and other elements just like regular documents, but they save time when reused repeatedly. When creating custom templates, use clear and consistent naming conventions so documents are easy to recognize and locate. It's also important to match the fonts within the document to create a consistent appearance. These small details help give your documents a polished, professional look and reinforce your credibility. While Docusign offers useful template features, it is not the only choice available. Jotform Sign is a free electronic signature solution that also supports document templates. It includes more than 600 templates, covering many common business documents. Editing them is straightforward thanks to the intuitive builder, making it easy to customize documents without unnecessary complexity. Jotform Sign also offers tools that go beyond preparing documents. Information collected through signed documents can be organized and analyzed in Jotform tables, making it easier to review your data. Professional reports can also be created with Jotform Report Builder, helping organizations present information clearly. If questions come up while using templates or building documents from scratch, 24-hour support is available to help. Whether you choose existing templates or create your own, Jotform Sign is designed to simplify document workflows and make everyday processes easier to manage. Thanks for watching. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and I hope this overview gives you a better understanding of how templates can simplify document management. Whether you're updating existing templates, creating new ones, or exploring another electronic signature solution, the right tools can save valuable time. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful videos. I'll see you in the next one.